This is good, Mom. Now I understand why you haggle so much while buying groceries. The lower the prices, the higher we would be able to go on utility curve, given a budget constraint.
Thanks, dear. Let me now explain how the above equilibrium maps to changes in prices and in our family income. Let's say the prices of brownies decrease by some amount and therefore the budget line rotates rightwards. So now, with the same budget, I can give you more goodies, due to which we reach a higher utility curve U1 as compared to U0. Notice here that while the horizontal intercept of the budget constraint increases, because the price of brownies declined, the vertical intercept does not change, because the price of packet of cookie did not change. The total effect of the price change is reflected in the household moving their consumption equilibrium from point A to point C. Important points to note in figure. Point C is that we would now purchase more of both brownies and cookies. In order to get there, the price of brownies has declined and one has shifted up in the indifference curve from U0 to U1. To appreciate this, it makes sense to break this jump into two steps, that is, movement from step A to step B, which involves movement across the same indifference curve with a lowered price, and step B to step C, movement towards the new U1 curve. The first step is called substitution effect, and the step 2 is called income effect. Substitution effect. The substitution effect reflects the change in the household's consumption after the price of brownie declines, holding utility constant. The substitution effect is depicted in the following figure. In this figure, the original budget constraint is depicted as a solid line and the new budget constraint is depicted as the dotted line. The original level of utility, U0, is depicted as a solid curve, and the new higher level of utility, U1, is depicted as a dotted curve. Let's spend a minute here. Here we are reducing the household's disposable income such that they can just afford to purchase a combination of cookies and brownies at the new relative prices, but receive the same utility as they did before the price change. This new budget line is at a tangent to U0 at point B. In general, the substitution effect is positive. That is, if the price of brownies falls relative to the price of packet of cookies, the household will substitute consumption into brownies and out of packet of cookies. The reverse also holds if the price of brownies increases.